Hey everybody, Dave Hooke here. Dave delivers another local business insight with the Brand Ambassador Program. This time I'm here with Cal Yoder, a friend of mine with Waymark Property Management. Cal, how are you doing today?
Fantastic. Glad to be with you, Dave.
Thanks so much for coming on. So Cal, you do property management services for properties here in Cumberland and Dauphin County. Tell us why you started in that business.
As a property investor, I know the pains of self-management. I started the business to remove the barriers and the pain that people have in the investment business when they're managing their own properties.
Makes total sense. And I understand as a property owner, the remarkable returns we can get with real estate ownership, but also the remarkable headaches that come along with that as well. So I appreciate that you can provide that service. So what actual services do you provide, Cal?
We provide for both commercial and residential units. We find great tenants by advertising, screening them. We collect their rent. When they have a problem and need repairs or maintenance, they call us. We call the vendors, get the repair taken care of. And at the end of the month, we cut you a check with an accounting report telling you what your proceeds are and what your expenses were.
So if you want to go to the Caribbean on a vacation and you own some properties, you can do that with peace of mind because your team is there to take great care of it.
That's exactly right. It's
Awesome.
headache free.
Makes total sense. Who are your main customers that would use your service?
Anybody who owns property as investments in Cumberland County or in Dauphin County.
All right, makes total sense. So if you own property in those two areas, and real quick, Cal, tell us what one of the most major questions you get most often from a potential customer who's thinking about using your services.
First question is often around the nuts and bolts. How does it work? Some of the questions I've answered here, there's that. And ultimately, much of what people are dealing with is, can I trust you to care about my properties as much as I do?
Yeah.
And my assurance is I own investment properties, best financial decision I ever made. And we will care for your property just like we owned it.
That's great to hear. And Cal, what's the best way for somebody to get in touch with you who may be listening to this and maybe wants to explore your property management services?
You can go to our webpage, waymarkpropertymanagement.com. There is a phone number there, but I'd also give you my personal cell phone, 717-413-0744.
So
Glad
that's
to talk to you about any questions you have.
appreciate that, Cal. So that's waymarkpropertymanagement.com, waymarkpropertymanagement.com, 717-638-8114. That's 638-8114, or you can call Cal directly on his cell phone. Cal, last but not least, before we let you go here, any special things that you can offer a listener who might be thinking about calling?
Yes, I'll offer two different free consultations. One, if you own a property and you need just consultation about taking over the property management, free consultation on that. And secondly, a free investment analysis consultation on any property you may be considering buying.
That's awesome, Cal. I really appreciate that, and I know somebody out there will as well. So there you have it, everybody. Cal Yoder, Waymark Property Management, local business who owns investment properties himself, has found a passion in helping others grow their wealth through investment property ownership and taking away and making the journey headache-free. So you can have the peace of mind of knowing your properties are taken great care of as Cal takes care of his own. And if you need a free investment analysis, they're there for you to analyze an investment property, see if it's a good decision for you, or a free consultation to see what it would look like to engage with Waymark Property Management. Cal, thanks so much for being on today, and we look forward to talking to you again real soon.
Thanks. It was great to be with you.